Hey, it's Tahir back on Kazmi VLogs. Let's dive into the fascinating world of decentralized blockchain and currencies. Decentralized blockchain technology enables peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries, revolutionizing industries like finance and governance. With decentralized currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, individuals have more control over their assets, free from traditional banking constraints. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to an absolute game changer in the cryptocurrency space, the Heat app. Crafted by talented developers, this app is set to revolutionize the future of digital currency, and guess what? It's decentralized. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to the Play Store and download the Heat app using the link I've dropped in the description below. When you register, make sure to use your Gmail account and pop in my referral code, which you can find in the video description as well. And here's the cool part, it's completely decentralized. No central authority giving you more control over your earnings and transactions. After registration, follow a few easy steps. Absolutely no investment required. Just hit the mining button once every 16 to 24 hours and you'll start racking up those currency points. The KYC process for this currency is opening soon, and it's expected to be listed on a well-known crypto exchange shortly. And who knows, in the future, the value of one Heli token might just reach $1 USD. Imagine the potential profits down the road. Don't miss out on this exciting decentralized opportunity. Go ahead and download the app now. Following this introduction, the video will break down the process into easy-to-follow steps, providing visual explanations for each. Towards the end, we've included screenshots to enhance clarity. Simply watch the video, follow the outline steps, and you'll quickly grasp the concepts. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and let's dive into this decentralized journey together. Thank you for tuning in and being a valuable part of our channel. Discovering decentralized platforms is a breeze with our user-friendly sign-up and sign-in process. Simply input your details securely and gain access effortlessly.